Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We come together today to celebrate the significant event, our graduation day. It is indeed a day of rejoicing, for it marks a wonderful memory in our lives. In this Mass, we offer our thanksgiving for the many blessings we receive through the years of our kindergarten life, for the love and support of our parents, joys and laughter shared with our classmates, the endurance of our teachers in teaching us the ABCs, and above all, the guidance and inspiration of the Lord that kept us smart and alive. With humble and grateful hearts, let us join together in this Eucharistic celebration with our Mass Presider, Reverend Father Noel Arcega. Let us all rise and sing our entrance hymn.